Alright guys, welcome back to the 5th episode of this tutorial series. Today we're not gonna start with the M1 combat system, but we are just gonna make our lives easier with a little sounds handler module and a module also to handle our effects. And we're already gonna prepare our M1 animations. So, let's just begin by making the sounds module. For that, let's first create a new folder in replicate storage and call this modules. Then make a new folder as a child of this folder and call it combat. And inside that combat folder, we create a new module and we're gonna call this sounds module. Like that. Okay. Then the code is actually gonna be really short, just like 6 lines, I think. So let's do a function module dot play sound. Then the sound and the parent of the sound. And then our local sound equals to sound clone. And then we want to set the property of our sound player on remove to true, and also parents the sound to our parent, and then destroy the sound. And that destroying will actually play the sound, because we set play on remove, which is the property of sounds, to true. And now, if we actually want to use this, we want to go ahead and go into our weapon server script. Then let's create a new section here. Call this modules. And do sounds, local sounds module equals to replicate storage, or require replicate storage dot modules dot combat dot sounds module. Okay, we can actually also make a folder here for RS modules. So replicate storage modules. So that is rs dot module dot modules, and then actually put that here. Okay. Okay, then go down where we normally have played our sounds into sounds module dot play. Then the sound you want to play, so that would be our equip sound, and then where we want to play it, and that is our torso. Boom. And now we just saved like 5 lines of code, and we can also do the same for here, but not with the equip sound, with the unequip sound. Okay, let's try that out and see if that works. Yep. The sound effect work. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, with that we pretty much just saved some space in our weapon server script, and we just have all of this here. Okay, then let's already make a module that is gonna be kind of important for the next few episodes, and that is gonna be our effects module. For this we are gonna have a similar structure, but let's get services first. Then let's get this debris service, so local debris equals to game.get service debris. Okay. Then, like before, let's make a new function. So function module dot emit effect. Let's just call it like that. Then we want to have our effect the C frame, so pretty much the position where we want the effect to be, and the destroy time. Okay. Then let's do a local effect equals to effect clone. Yeah. With that we pretty much override this effect, so then effect dot parent equals to workspace. Let's actually create a new folder for our effects. So create a folder in workspace and call it VFX. Then we can do here workspace.vfx. Then effects.cframe equals to our cframe. To the cframe, not a built-in thing from Roblox. Then let's do a for I loop. So for I v in pairs effects get the descendants. I hope I spelled it correct. Do then if v is a particle emitter, then we want to emit some particles. So v dot emit, we get attribute emit count, so like that. And then we want to do debris at time, at item effect, and for the amount of time, which is our destroy time. And I've already actually prepared some effects that I'm just gonna paste over now. So I just have this effects folder with a block, glut, guard break, and parry effect. Those are gonna be useful for the next few episodes. And I'm just gonna put this in replicate storage for now. Yep. So it would be good if you already also have these, but it's not required. Okay. Then we can actually try to play the effects just so we can already test it. So let's create a new event here, call it VFX, then create a new script in startup player scripts, a new local script, and call it combat VFX handler. And then let's get some services again. So our replicate storage. Then also let's get the debris service, and oh no, we don't need the debris service. We don't need anything. We just need replicate storage. Then let's also get yeah, let's just do a section for folders and then just get our events folder. So local event events equals to replicate storage dot events. Then let's also make a no, wait, never mind. Let's also get, oh no, okay, let's make a new section for modules and get our combat effect module, or just our effects module. Okay, interesting IE thingy there, but local combat effects module equals to require. Can actually get the modules folder here, so local modules equals replicate storage dot modules. But then modules dot combat dot effects module. So just get this module. Okay. Then let me just actually copy this to organize this a bit more. Okay. Then nope, not that, but events.vfx.onClientEvent connect function. Let's get action here. And three, oh, oops, 1 comma and then 3 dots, like that. Then do if action equals to combat effect or combat effects. Then local effects, position and stay time. Or you can also just copy those names equals to those dots. Then it's a combat effects module dot emit effect and all of those variables. Okay. Then I can show you how you would already use the effect. So let's just always use the effects when we equip the sword. So for that you would do do I already have the events folder here? Yes, I do. So events dot vfx fire all clients, because we want the effects to be seen from all clients. We don't want to play the effects on the server. Then combat effects, that would be this action right here. Then the effect you want to play, so let's just use the blood effect. So we'll replicate storage dot effects dot combat dot blood, and the position would be just our torso character's C frame. It always needs to be a C frame, and the step time would just be like 3 seconds. Okay. Then let's try this out. See if our effects module works. And yep, it works. Okay. The effects are being played correctly. Okay. I can just gonna yeah, ignore this line for now. And the last thing I want to do in this episode is, well, just already prepare our M1 animations. So I've already made my M1 animations for both my weapons. And now I am just gonna actually copy yeah, something over from my test place, because I already prepared this, because I would be too lazy to just export every animation again now. But just have an in your animations folder, beside that main folder inside your weapon, also have a combat folder, and the combat folder is gonna have 4 animation events. One is called swing 1, the other one is called swing 2, the other one is called swing 3, and the other one is called swing 4, because you want to have 4 swings. And do that for both of your weapons. If you have 2 weapons or just 1, just do that for both weapons. And if you have that, then you're finished with this episode. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.